I'm Jamie, and I've been teaching online since 2020. If you're thinking about starting your online teaching career or looking for new ways to teach online in 2024, then this video is for you. For new online teachers, the most popular way to teach online in 2024 is for online ESL companies. These companies hire TEFL qualified teachers to teach students in specific countries, regions, or even worldwide. Often you'll find that the teaching materials are provided and the schedules can be quite flexible. I personally only recommend working for online ESL companies if you are brand new to online teaching or teaching in general. They can be a great way to build up your confidence and meet a variety of students at different ages and levels, but it's not sustainable in the long term. That's because these companies are only paying between $10 and $15 per hour. Your schedule can be quite sporadic, and there's often too many teachers and not enough students. If you do decide to teach with online ESL companies, then I recommend applying to as many companies as you can and submitting a high quality demo or intro video, whichever one is requested by the company. If you'd like to see an example of my Cambly intro video, then you can watch this video next and see an example. The second way to teach online in 2024 is through online teaching marketplaces. These are websites where teachers can post up a profile, maybe a video to attract potential students. You're able to set your own rate of pay and hours, and you're usually considered to be an independent contractor when working on these marketplaces. There are marketplaces specifically for languages like Preply and italki, and there's other ones like Outschool where you can teach any subject. I personally have been teaching on Outschool for the past 3 years, and last year I made an average of $94 per hour teaching ballet to kids. Some of the cons of online teaching marketplaces are that you need to either create or source your own teaching materials and, of course, follow copyright laws. You will find that they don't hire from everywhere. They often have specific passport requirements, maybe because of the background check. And because they're hosting your classes on their platform, they are going to take a cut of your pay, which can be 30% or even higher. If you need more support with your online teaching journey, then fill out my survey link below and I'll email you back with some helpful links and tips. A third way to teach online in 2024 is as a freelance online teacher. Due to all those issues with companies and marketplaces that I mentioned before, more and more teachers are starting to build their own freelance teaching businesses. This is also the best option for non-native speakers since many companies either won't hire you because of passport requirements or they will actually pay you less than native speakers. Freelancing is a great option if you have some teaching experience either in person or online, and you want to teach a specific type of English like test prep or conversation skills, pronunciation, business English, or another subject. You are in charge of setting your own rates and of course, your own schedule. A downside of freelance online teaching is that it's a lot of work up front. You need to decide which teaching platform you're going to use, like Zoom or Koala or Classin, which materials you're going to use, how your students can book and pay for classes, and how you're going to create a plan to get those students to fill your classes. Luckily, there are more resources than ever before for new freelance online teachers. This could be something like a curriculum subscription, a platform with a built-in booking and payment system, and even social media templates that you can use to help you find students. I personally started freelance online teaching in 2020 first before I did any online ESL companies or marketplaces. I did it a little bit backwards, but I focused on teaching Cambridge test prep and advanced English learners. If you'd like to learn how to set up your own freelance online teaching business, then click the link in the description to get on the waitlist for my freelance online teaching workshop. A newer way to teach online in 2024 is through online courses and memberships. Teaching back-to-back one-on-one classes or small group classes can be exhausting, which is why more teachers are turning to online courses and memberships. You can teach fewer hours while reaching more students. Teachers already possess the skills needed to create an online course or membership, so why not monetize your knowledge by starting up a course using Udemy, Kajabi, or Teachable? I personally use Kajabi to host my online courses and memberships, and I love being able to help students from all over the world become ESL teachers. If you'd like to teach online in 2024, then your first step is investing in a high-quality TEFL certificate. If you don't have one yet and would like a recommendation, then just fill out my survey and I'll email you back. If you want to teach a subject that's not English, make sure that you are properly qualified to teach it. The next step is to decide how you want to teach online. Is it online companies, marketplaces, courses, freelancing? Start simple with just one company, one marketplace, building up your own business, or creating one course. Just take it one step at a time so that you don't get overwhelmed. The final step is not to give up. I see so many teachers who give up after a few rejections, but the best thing to do is keep improving your skills and moving forward on your teaching journey. If you want to fast track your online teaching journey in 2024, then check out my online mini course called Teach Online in 10 Days. I designed this course for new teachers to support you through every step of the process, like choosing which equipment that you need, creating your intro and demo video, knowing where to apply, lesson planning, how to use Zoom, and more. This is a self-study course, so you can start it at any time and learn at your own pace. I've also updated the course for 2024 to include an Excel spreadsheet with information on over 20 different teaching jobs, such as what the requirements are, the hours, the pay, to save you tons of time when you're researching jobs. To learn more about my online mini course and see if it's a good fit for you, just follow the link in the description. Which ways would you like to teach online in 2024? Leave a comment below and let me know. If you'd like to learn more about online teaching equipment, then you can watch this video next. Happy teaching!